the moment. And the time is now. So we're gonna perform. Hopefully we're gonna receive the award. And I have one of my dancers with me today, so I'm so glad. So everything is gonna be great. And Leslie's here, I know he's gonna receive it. That's for sure. Okay then, I'll see you later.
This is the best moment. You know I've been waiting for this moment. Tonight we're gonna put it down for the people. They're gonna see what Nicodème can put down. You know what I'm saying?
This is the moment we've been waiting for. And we're here. And I have my brother always here. He always there to support me, and we're here to get this trophy. I know we